Some of the most important elements in participating in a CNU faculty-led study abroad program is the program cost, the deadlines for payments, and how to pay. My name is Ebony Mcquade, the Financial Operations Staff member of the Study Abroad Office. This video will review the payments associated with your time abroad, as well as how to pay. The acceptance email. If accepted into a program, an official notice will come in the form of an email from the faculty who are leading it. This acceptance email will outline the amount of the program fee and the step-by-step process to pay that fee. It will also include the account number for the program. The payment agreement. Every study abroad program has its own account number, highlighted in yellow at the top of the payment agreement. This document will spell out the deadlines for the program fee, as well as the amount of tuition due for the associated CNU course. The payment agreement is the document you must sign in order to acknowledge your understanding of the monies due to the university. Read this document carefully before signing it. It is also available in electronic format for the ease of signature and return to the Study Abroad office. It is important to note that the program fee, which covers expenses such as international airfare, some meals, on-site housing, and some on-site activities, must be paid directly into your study abroad program's account number. The tuition fee for your abroad experience pays for the cost of the course you signed up for. You can expect to pay the tuition based on your status as an in-state student or as an out-of-state student. The amount due for tuition will be entered onto your student account mid-spring. It will appear as a charge. The CNU Live portal. For the program fee, the charge will not appear on your CNU student account. Remember, it is paid through CNU Live directly into the program's account number. When you log into CNU Live, you will select Make a Payment, then Tuition and Fees. You will have to select Study Abroad as the option, then use the drop-down list to choose the name of the program into which you've been accepted. You will then select which payment you are making toward the program fee, be it the deposit, the first payment, or the final payment. You must then manually enter the amount you are paying. Be careful not to include the costs of other outstanding bills that may be on your student account at the time of paying the program fee installments, such as a future tuition payment. Once you are satisfied with your selected abroad program, the specific payment type, and the amount you manually entered, move forward with the payment. Be sure to check with your financial institution to obtain a receipt of the payment. It will be you and your family's responsibility to track the payments made toward your program fee based on the deadlines outlined in the payment agreement. For the tuition fee associated with your abroad experience, you can view, print, and pay your online bill through CNU Live. The charge for tuition, based on your in-state or out-of-state status, will be placed onto your student account by the business office around mid-March. You must pay this bill by the deadline listed on your payment agreement. Students and families often want to know the full amount due to the university for the CNU faculty-led program experience. Simply add together the program fee and the tuition fee based on your status as an in-state or out-of-state student. That amount can be found on the second page of the payment agreement for a specific program. Forms of payment. Students, parents, and other authorized users can pay online using e-check, MasterCard, American Express, Visa, or Discover. There is no convenience fee for use of an e-check. However, a convenience fee is added for the use of credit cards. No debit or credit cards are accepted in person. Please make checks and money orders payable to Christopher Newport University. You should note "Study Abroad" in the memo section of your check or money order. You can mail your payment or bring it to the cashier's office on the first floor of Christopher Newport Hall. Be sure to wear a mask and follow CDC guidelines when paying in person. Methods of payment for the abroad program fee and tuition fee may also include cash, personal checks, Virginia 529 funds, loans, or other college saving plans. You will have to reach out directly to your financial points of contact in order to request the funds be provided to CNU. It is very important to provide specific details to your financial institutions and contacts to ensure the correct amount is secured and delivered to CNU by the deadlines. For example, if your family is looking to utilize loans or a 529 plan to cover the abroad fees, you are responsible for reaching out to your 529 contact or loan lenders to request that their team send payment directly to CNU. Please have them note in the memo section that the payment is specifically for study abroad. Questions? For questions, feel free to email me at ebony.mcquade@cnu.edu or by phone at 757-594-8235. I also have a virtual office found on the landing page of the CNU Abroad Office portal, located at cnu.abroadoffice.net. Our team looks forward to working with you and your families.